This is probably one of my favorite paint pen hearts because it is so easy to do and you can do it with lots of different colors. It's very forgiving. Start by laying down a heart shape on your rock. Now you're just going to go in whatever angle you want stripes, but just be consistent. Mix and match between different colors, colors that are okay blending together. These are water-based paint pens, which is important. That way you can blend just right on the tips like this. Just doodle off on a piece of paper, even with white. I'm going in with white. I know that might scare some of you, but as you will see, I'll doodle this off on paper until it goes back to white. I just doodled a little because I wanted more white, but you'll see one more time here. I'm going right back at it and all the way back to white. Just keep doodling until back to white. Do this back and forth until you like the color of your heart, and then pick one of the colors that you used to create this heart to go around the outer edge of your rock first, and then bring that color all the way up to your heart, and then just re-crisp that heart outline shape. So I'm going to show off at the end here in just a second. My daughter did these last year for her homemade Valentines to pass out to her classmates. She picked the colors specifically for each child. She is 9 and she was able to whip out a whole batch of these. They look so cute, so make sure you stick around to see those. Once you've got the paint all the way up to the edges like this, the final last touch, which really brings it up a notch, is to take an extra fine tip paint pen or acrylic white paint and a toothpick and create a dotted outline around the edge of your heart. And they're done. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy rock painting tutorial. Follow along so you don't miss any more of our fun, quick heart rock painting ideas that will be coming out.